Hello guys, today we're going to unbox and test the Aukey EP-T21 earbuds. There are a lot of true wireless earbuds that target affordable price points, but few go as low as the Aukey earbuds. You'd be right to assume that earbuds this cheap wouldn't be worth the time of day, but this earbuds somehow managed to offer a tremendous all-around user experience. Build quality is top-notch, there's an IPX4 rating for water resistance, and everything sounds as good as you could ask for. These earbuds are extremely easy to use. Straight out of the package it paired with my phone with no issues. The package comes with different size interchangeable ear tips to make the fit snug. Once in the ear, the sound is clear and super easy to control music or phone calls. Just tap on the earbuds, they are touch sensitive. Would definitely use these for daily use, goes pretty loud too if you like your music that way. The case it comes in is nice too. It is magnetic so the earbuds get sucked in and fits nicely without the chance of falling out. I am pleased with them. It was easy to follow the instructions for pairing with my phone and the buds stay in place well with the curved attachment. Didn't take long to charge them and I was all set.